Welcome to Year 9, Stage 5.1, 5.2 unit of work for right-angled triangles and trigonometry. This is a 5-week unit of work designed to differentiate and meet students' needs. It is comprised of 10 one-hour lessons. Trigonometry can be seen in many real-world situations, such as navigation of ships and planes, where the equipment used requires trigonometry to plot the journey and determine the current position. These calculations also need to be solved through written calculations. Other areas where trigonometry is used includes medical scanning, engineering, and in trades such as carpentry. This unit of work aims to show students the importance of trigonometry through engaging and practical activities. A layered curriculum is designed to differentiate and address a range of students' abilities and learning needs. The unit of work consists of 3 layers, comprising of essential objectives and outcomes. A range of activities provides a sense of choice and autonomy, encouraging independent and self-directed learners. Students will be able to achieve the learning outcomes by selecting tasks they believe are their strengths and therefore can be comfortable in their learning. The grading system students will use to calculate the number of tasks they complete helps them learn to take responsibility for their learning. Thus, students will be given the opportunity to determine how they learn as well as how they will be assessed. Layering the curriculum assists in building higher order thinking skills by making connections between concepts. This unit of work has been tailored to address the learning needs of students with specific learning disabilities, ADHD, autism, Indigenous, and non-English speaking students. The activities can be completed at the student's pace with additional assistance from the teacher. The tasks included focuses on building literacy, communication, and problem-solving skills. This layered curriculum is based on the structure of observed learning outcomes taxonomy framework, which considers how students cognitively learn and perform. Students gain a surface understanding of concepts and progressively complete tasks involving higher order thinking skills. Content is organised logically to show students how a single concept can be connected to other ideas within the topic. It consists of 5 phases, including pre-structural, the stage where there is little to no understanding; unistructural, one concept is clearly understood; multistructural, more than one independent concept; relational, integration of ideas where students will begin to see the links between concepts. This phase begins in Layer B of this layered curriculum, which will enhance their understanding for Layer C activities. An extended abstract, application of concepts to a different context. Geometry concepts will be linked to right-angled triangles, such as the use of parallel lines. These connections will help in the schematizing phase, as students will understand the reason behind the mathematical calculations. Structured activities involving exploration encourage further practice of the new knowledge gained. This form of assessing students provides the teacher with insight on students' preferences, progress, and helps improve teaching practices. Using multiple intelligences in the creation of activities enhances students' academic experience and makes the content accessible for all students. The 8 intelligences include visual spatial, incorporation of pictures, mathematical diagrams and mind maps; bodily kinesthetic, physical activities that could use objects such as a clinometer; musical, rhythmical abilities, rhythm and appreciation of music; interpersonal capacities. Group activities are incorporated for interaction with peers and collaborative work to find solutions; intrapersonal knowledge, self-reflective tasks to identify strengths and weaknesses; logical, mathematical, understanding numerical patterns, logical problems and providing reasoning; verbal, linguistic, literacy-related tasks and presentations; and naturalistic, understanding of natural world applications such as flora, fauna, and the world around us. In order to complete the unit of work and successfully achieve 150 points, students must choose from a number of activities. The layers represent successive stages that start at basic skills and progress to applications and critical thinking. By referring to the layered curriculum document, students begin at Layer C before attempting Layer B and A. Layer C satisfies the foundation of trigonometry through simple and creative activities, such as creating a poster, mind map, a mnemonic, as well as a closed passage to improve their literacy skills. Layer B is designed to apply the knowledge gained in the previous stage to solve trigonometric ratios, research the applications of trigonometry in the real world, and use a calculator to estimate angles and sides. Activities that have been provided include bridges, council regulations, and calculator-based problems. Layer A is the final stage of this unit of work, which requires higher-order thinking skills. Students need to master practical real-world problems involving angles of elevation and depression in order to complete this stage. This layer includes a particular activity that involves constructing a word problem and solving it with correct reasoning. This develops students' communication and reasoning skills. Overall, these activities are specifically designed to meet students' needs ranging from simple tasks to more challenging based problems. Students should approach the teacher for particular worksheets and tasks they choose to complete. Questions transform as each layer is completed from factual and simplistic to divergent tasks that will expand students' cognitive thinking skills. The student contract outlines outcomes that show what students will learn to and learn about, along with the requirements to meet 150 points, the specific tasks chosen, date submitted, and student and teacher initials. The following grades will be awarded to students who complete the following number of points. Students will be encouraged to get the maximum points, and teachers will assist students in accomplishing their goals. They will get additional help if needed to ensure that a C grade is the minimum. A marking rubric has been included for each assignment to ensure students understand what is expected of them to achieve the highest possible marks. Assignment sheets and rubric examples from each layer have been included in the appendix. We wish you all the best in your journey of teaching and introducing students to the beauty of right-angled triangles in mathematics.